Hi, this is Sherry at Smoky Mountain Maker. Today we're going to make rag wreaths. As we're going to use these fat quarters. Quilters use these a lot because they're already coordinated. They're small pieces of fabric that are already cut out into sections. We'll unfold this one and show you what the size of those are. So come on. Alrighty. So this particular one is 22 inches by 18 inches. That's pretty standard, 22 by 18. So I've folded these in half to get 9 inches. You can do 3 by 8, 3 by 9, but since these were already this size, to keep it simple, I just went with the 3 by 9 pieces. And I have a pattern on my website if you want to download that PDF. And it's just simply a piece of cardboard that I've cut into a 3 by 9 template. And so you can take, and what you're going to do is cut down your center. And you can use this with scissors, or if you want to use a rotary cutter, I find scissors is pretty fast for something like that. All right, so we're going to use our pattern, and we're going to cut these in 3 by 8 sections. So what you can do is roll it up like this. Okay, then you slip your pattern out, your template out. Now if you need pretty good thick scissors, if you're using thicker material like this, we're just going to cut these in sections. Okay, now this piece I'm going to put aside, and we're going to take it while it's still folded, and we're doing the other side. If you keep your fabric scissors separated, they'll stay sharper. Paper will dull your scissors. So we're going to cut these up, and we're going to make a wreath. I'm going to take this wreath and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Now, I've got some of these cut out, as I said, and I'm going to take each stack. There were 5 colors, so we're going to push these out in stacks. Okay. Okay, so now we've got our 5 colors. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one from this stack and tie him. Doesn't matter where you tie him. Just try not to use this one. It's going to save you on material. If you use that one, it's just going to be overkill. And also it makes it harder to lay flat against the wall. So now I hope you noticed that I put this on underneath. This is so thick you could actually even just fold it with this width, tie it around, and we've got us a knot here. Okay, so that way your pattern, no matter which way this little thing flips, is there. So I kind of like that idea. So here we go. We're going to do the same thing with this one. We're going to fold it, put it on our wire, and we're going to take the next stack. So as you can see what I'm doing, I'm going down each stack. Now you want to just do this random. You don't want to really do a pattern, just kind of do it random. Go to our next stack. Same thing, we're folding it, sticking it under here, tying a knot. I'm going to do a little better job folding. There we go. Okay, and I pull those pretty tight. Now you can see as these are pushed down how that's starting to look, how it's starting to look fuller. And what I'm going to do though, because I want to keep my pieces equal as much as possible, then I'm going to go to the next ring and do the same thing. Just go across each of my stacks. So we're folding, tying, and just continue on. This way, whenever we finish, then we're going to have an equal number of, well, fairly equal. You may be off by one here or there, but we're going to have a fairly equal amount of pieces in each section. So that's what our goal is. We want it to do that. Okay, so we'll continue to do this. All right. Now, I know that y'all don't want to sit here and watch me fold material and tie knots for half an hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a break from videoing, finish this wreath, and then I will come back and we will, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, talking. Okay, I will come back and show you what the finished wreath looks like. And then I've got a little detail that I want to put on it. So for right now, we're going to just pause the video and I'm going to continue working. Hold on. Okay, we're back. And I've got this wreath finished up because this was flannel. I had pieces left over. So I've got about a stack like that. But you still will need 2 of the fat squares for flannel material. Now, if you use the cotton material, you'll use all the material strips that you cut out, and you will use a complete 2 yards, and make sure those 2 yards are 45 inches wide so that you'll have enough material to finish. Okay, now this is pretty like it is. You can decorate it any way you want to. I found this, which I thought really went well with the material that I was using, and it is actually to go on a shelf. So I just put a string around this little part here, folded it down, and all we're going to do is take this ribbon and we're going to tie it underneath one of our wires here. Okay, let me get that a little closer so I can reach it. All right, now we're going to tie that up, and we're just going to hide the ribbon, and we're going to put a bow in it. That way it's easy to take down if I want to change and put something more Christmassy in here. And I think that's going to be really cute. This is really a nice project. It's easy to do. Anybody that can tie a knot can do this. So, and it's a great little project to do in front of the TV while you're watching TV if you want to, or in a group. I like to share my projects with a couple of groups that we're in, and we have a great time. So, always fun to craft with friends. I hope to see you over on my website, SmokyMountainMaker.com, and subscribe to my YouTube so that you can get these videos as soon as they come out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you keep crafting. Bye-bye.